Hey you guys, and what is up? I just wanted to show you all what I did. I ended up making the hot chocolate bombs, but I didn't talk to the camera at all, and also I've been kind of sick, so I just figured voiceover will work. I got this package at Target. They had the entire just set, everything that you would need. I just bought extra candy melts from Walmart. And all I did was added the chocolate that it came with to a bowl, and the instructions did say to warm up in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and to mix with 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. So that's what I'm doing here. The only thing that I did forget to add is marshmallows to the hot chocolate bombs, but it still turned out pretty good. That was after just 30 seconds, so I just mix. I think that was after putting it in for already a minute. So that looks pretty much done. Like, it barely took any time, so it was pretty fast. Once I did that, I did use a plastic spoon, and I feel like that helped not make the chocolate, this cold or allergies. I feel like having a plastic spoon helped the chocolate not cool down as fast as opposed to using like a metal spoon, and I just used the spoon to spread it on the mold, and yeah, you just do that, all 6 of them. They have molds like these on Amazon as well if you're interested in them. They're super easy, super quick to make. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult. Now, I did figure out the second time around that I made them to add 1 layer and then add another layer after it cools down in the fridge for a couple of minutes. But it just helped with making the molds or the chocolate bombs a little bit thicker so they wouldn't break, because you'll see some of them did break in just a couple of seconds. But this was so much fun. I was doing this while my husband was watching a football game, so it was really awesome to just get to do that while he watched the game, and then once he was done with his game, he was able to enjoy some hot chocolate, so it was pretty awesome. I guess I didn't even realize I left it on this long, but I don't want to stop the voiceover. I just want to keep it going so I can upload this onto YouTube. Okay, so there you go. You just put it in the fridge to chill for just about like 5 minutes. Honestly, it didn't even take that long, and they literally just pop right out. If you see that corner, it does break a little bit on the edges, so that's what I did. Where the second batch that I made, I just added more chocolate to make it a little bit thicker to prevent that from happening. So it does come with hot chocolate in the little box that I got, so you can just add that in there. I just added about a teaspoon in each of them, just really as much could fit. And then I did that. I just did 2 of them since it's just my husband and I, and then that was like my test run. Then I made a couple more. Added some sprinkles inside. Honestly, you couldn't even tell that they were in there, so I would totally skip the step. I just wanted to make them cute, but you'll see the turnout. I also did add some of the peppermint crunch that you see back there. I had gotten that at Home Goods one time. I think it was like a week ago or something. And when my husband tasted it, he said he was able to taste the peppermint. So honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend. It tasted really good. I also had a little sip of the hot cocoa. But yeah, that's all I did. I cannot believe I forgot to add the marshmallows, but you know. Oh, and then to seal them, I warmed up a plate in the microwave. It didn't have it like this on the instructions. It said something else, but I had seen this technique on YouTube before, and you just kind of put the other side of the hot chocolate bomb on the plate, and it melts it enough to be able to attach it or like adhere it to the other half. It was having a little bit of issues since the sides weren't as thick, but then I just used a little bit of the melted chocolate on the edges to just smear on the sides to help it seal as best as possible. I'm sure there's like a better way to do this, but it worked, and it's just for my husband and I. It's not like I'm gifting them to anybody, but it works. See, you just glide it on, make sure it melts on. You could probably use some icing to seal it if you want it to, but I didn't want to add icing to a hot chocolate bomb. It just kind of made no sense to me. But yeah, once I figured it out the first couple of times, it was a lot easier after. So just push it on and hope for the best, honestly. It was so much fun. I feel like I thought it'd be fun, like if you have children, maybe you can try this with your kids, but maybe not like the closing of them because they may break them. So maybe have them add the hot chocolate and like the sprinkles or marshmallows, like whatever they want inside, and then you can close it for them. I feel like that would be really cute for a little Christmas night, movie night. But yeah, that's it. Oh, and then I sprinkled hot chocolate or the chocolate on top just to like for decoration, just because I thought it would look cute, and I just drizzled it on super easy with the same spoon I was using. It's just like a good way to use the chocolate you have. And you can make it a different color if you want it. And obviously you have to add the sprinkles. You can't taste the sprinkles, they just literally dissolve. And these came with the box as well. So it literally comes with everything you could need. Except for the vegetable oil. You obviously need the vegetable oil. But I'm sure, you know, everybody has that in their pantry. Or something similar to. But yeah, look how cute.
Just grab one.
Gotta push it in there a little bit. It's going. Mix it. Cute. You can put more hot cocoa in there. That's all I can fit in there.
I think this might be the perfect amount, actually.
You think so?
I think so. I'll try it.
Yay!
I have eggnog.
Huh?
I have eggnog.
I have eggnog? I know, I do. I wish I would have bought abuelita instead of. Is it good? Yay! Okay, I'm excited. Put it on the thing so I can lift it up. Hey you guys, so I ended up having to do voiceover on the hot chocolate bombs just because I haven't been feeling the greatest. I worked today, got off of work, didn't show much of that because of, you know, congested, been struggling through. But I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!